welcome back. So today we just gonna jump right in. Honestly, y'all, this particular day I just needed some makeup therapy, so I'm bringing y'all this full coverage matte glam look. I will be listing all the products in the description box, and more than likely I'm gonna go back and list these things on the screen, including the brushes that I'm using. So I know this video is a short one, but when I tell y'all, I really just took my time this particular day. I had just laid my baby down for a nap and it was peaceful and quiet in my house. I was like, you know what? I'm just about to turn some YouTube on, sit down and give myself a flawless matte beat. And even though this is not a live talk through video, I felt like turning the camera on and letting you guys watch. This is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Me personally, I just love to sit and watch people do their makeup. It's so satisfying to me. So I hope that this satisfied all of my makeup lovers out there. If you like the look, comment on it down below. And also follow me on Instagram. Definitely tap the subscribe button and the notification bell if you're new and you like the content. And I'll see you guys in my next video.